Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's discuss the given question. If y equal to sine inverse of cot inverse sine square of cot inverse of root of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, then find the value of dy by dx, right? So first write down the key concept, guys. Key concept to solve this question is derivative of we can say trigonometric functions or composite functions, right? Composite trigonometric functions. Okay, so now just assume let theta equal to cot inverse of square root of 1 plus x whole divided by 1 minus x. Okay, so here cot theta equal to, we can write square root of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, right? So this can be written as cot square theta equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, right? So by using the property, guys, we can find the value of x here. X equal to cot square theta minus 1 whole divided by cot square theta plus 1. We can write by using the property of shifting. Okay, so if you simplify this, it will be getting, if you write that cot square theta upon sin square theta, then it becomes cos square theta minus sin square theta whole divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta. So obviously, guys, denominator will be the 1. So numerator value is cos 2 theta, right? So now after assuming that bracket term theta, what will be the y? Y will be the sin square theta, right? So what will be the dy by dx? Dy by dx will be 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? So it becomes sine of 2 theta, right? Okay, so this is the value of dy by dx. But guys, again, this is the value of dy by dx, right? So 2 sin theta cos theta, so theta derivative is d theta by dx. Also don't forget that. Okay, d theta by dx. So now, guys, if you simplify this, you will be getting, you can write here sine 2 theta into dx by d theta. What is the value dx by theta? This is the x. If you differentiate this dx by theta, it becomes 1 upon minus sine 2 theta into 2. So write the simplified answer, sine 2 theta upon minus 2 sine 2 theta. So guys, sine 2 theta will be get cancelled. Your final answer will be the minus 1 by 2. So this is the value of dy by dx. So guys, what is your final answer? Your final answer will be a minus 1 by 2. So let's check which option is correct one. Option number C will be the correct option, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.